everyone and welcome back. I've just finished taking off my acrylic nails. I don't know if this is going to be its own video. If you're here and it's the start of the video, then obviously it is. This is what my nails look like now. Pretty dodgy, pretty terrible. But we're gonna put the Sistaco nail powder on. I'm gonna do this shade Sapphire. It's a metallic. I've seen a trend lately of people doing blue or navy blue chrome nails or something, and I think that this will turn out pretty similar to that. I'm just gonna buff these and file them, and then I'll record the process of the actual nail polish and powdering. Okay, I have just used this little whatever this thing is to try and smooth out my nails a bit. This is what they ended up looking like. Not great. So I'm just gonna try my best, and they might end up with like ridges and bumps and stuff. I'm just using this gloss nail top coat. They have different types of powders, but this is a metallic one, so I'm just going to do the top coat because I'm lazy. I'm trying to do as thin a coat of this as I can because I'm pretty sure I heard somewhere that the thinner the coat is, the less likely it will be to chip. I would definitely recommend doing this under a really bright light like I've got here because you can really see where it's covered and where it hasn't. See, it's all shiny. Now I'm just going to put these under this UV lamp for, I think it goes for 2 minutes. So now we take the powder, and this one, I don't know how it happened, but it like went everywhere. The lid must not have been put on properly, so we lost quite a bit of it. It's all throughout the box. You can see this has glitter all over it, but yeah, it just literally covers everything. I'm just going to use this applicator. These are my favorite kind. There are different ones. We also have these ones, but I prefer this, and then you can use this to dust it off. So we have this little, whatever you call this. We just apply the powder over the grate thing here, and then it goes in here, and eventually we'll end up with some random color. That's what it looks like. It's pretty, right? It does have a few little ridges in it, so hopefully if I do... It's not focusing. Hopefully if I do a couple of coats, it will fix that, but you saw what the nails were like before. It's honestly a miracle it doesn't look worse. So this is what it looks like now.
Wow.
Why does my camera never focus? Don't worry about all the powder around the outside. That doesn't matter. We'll fix that. The next thing is to do another top coat, and then we'll set it again.
Bitch, I can't see. Bitch, snap out of it. Bitch, I can't fucking see.
Top coat is on, so now it's time to set it again. You can see they're looking a bit rough, a bit bumpy and whatnot. I'm gonna do another coat off camera, and then we'll have a look at how they're doing. Okay, quick update. I filed these ones back, and I'm gonna put another coat of them on when I do my left hand because they had bumps in them because my nails were really bad to start with.